Hi guys, on today's installment from the Summer of Portables, we have this Superlectric box fan. This particular one uses a metal blade and Hall's butt, and we'll be seeing that in a minute. So, I pulled this fan out of the trash actually, and it didn't take much to clean. It's missing the leather strap, but I'm going to source a replacement eventually. So I'll start it up on low speed. This fan is probably from the 60s. Let me just show this a little bit better. There we go. So that's low. Already putting out a really good amount of air. Already almost topping the Lakewood S223, I believe is what it is in my room, the peach one. So that's low. We'll turn it up to medium now. Yeah, it's really moving some air. This is a great fan. And I do have the little pieces that hold on the leather strap. First I thought it was broken, but nope. Yeah, I did save all that stuff so I can reassemble or reattach it once I'm ready. But anyways, let's go put this fan up to high speed. I'm not too sure how all y'all can hear me. It's as hot. Bit of vibration, but otherwise it's fine. This fan is absolutely incredible. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and shut the fan off now. This thing actually takes quite a while to spin down. But yeah, I'm pretty sure, I can't remember if I said this, but yeah, this fan's probably from the 60s. And yeah, I really love this fan. I'm so glad I was able to save this. I almost missed it, but my coworkers pointed it out to me. And yeah, actually the two awesome fans from the most recent cleanup were thanks to my coworkers for spotting them. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead now that it's stopped, and I'm gonna show you the whole fan in more detail. There we go. Took a minute to get out of the tripod. But yeah, there's where the handle would be. And I just put those, the screws in there so I wouldn't lose them. Here is the badge and the speed controller. Here is the blade. And yeah, that is totally metal. Everything besides the speed knob and the front grate is is metal. As you can see, the back grate is metal. And then, yeah, let me just adjust this so I can show you the back a little bit better. There's the back of it. And overall though, the fan's in great shape. I'm surprised they were throwing such a nice fan out, because this thing is freaking awesome. But yeah, that's about all I've got for you here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.